Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to use shape dynamics to create natural leaf brushes. Start by selecting a leaf shape brush tip. Open the brush setting and activate shape dynamics, and also increase size jitter for natural leaf variations, and add angle jitter so each leaf rotates differently. Reduce roundness a bit to make the leaf shape feel organic. Begin tapping leaves across your canvas. Add clutches to form brushes, free brushes. Use darker green at the base for depth. Add brighter leaves on the edges. Use pressure variation for shade differences.